In this video, you'll learn how to repeat a command every few seconds in the Ubuntu terminal. This can be useful if you want to monitor something, like system performance or disk space, without typing the same command again and again. We'll use a tool that's already built into Ubuntu. It's called Watch. To get started, open your terminal. Now, type the word watch, followed by the command you want to repeat. For example, if you want to check free memory every 2 seconds, you can type watch n2 free. The N option lets you set the number of seconds between each repeat. In this case, it runs every 2 seconds. The free H command shows memory usage in a human-readable format. After running it, you'll see the output refresh every 2 seconds. It replaces the old output with the new one, so you can easily track changes. You can stop the command by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard. You can use watch with almost any terminal command. That's all you need to repeat a command at a time interval in the Ubuntu terminal. Now you can monitor anything you want with just a single command. Thanks for watching.